Clink78 is centrally located, just 10 minutes walk from King's Cross Tube Station and St Pancras International Station. This lively hostel offers free Wi-Fi throughout the building, plus a free London walking tour leaves daily from reception. The hostel is a former Victorian courthouse that has been updated with bold and colourful interior design. Guests can make use of a modern self-catering kitchen. Original courtrooms have been converted into a TV, film lounge and a computer room. ClashBAR, located in the basement, features DJ nights, live music, a pool table and table football, giving guests the opportunity to meet fellow travelers. Reception is open 24 hours a day and guests can access the building and their room using a personal key card. Staff are multilingual and knowledgeable about hostel happenings and city hotspots. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.